I can't breathe into it. Is it still lit? Not even my
Just hold it.
Gene, my machine. Yeah, you look so lean. Your calves, I mean.
Dang,
Gene, you fucking liar. This kid is sucking dick like no other. And he's saying,
oh, I burned my finger.
it's okay. And he just burned himself because I told him he's like a dick. You're fine. Just fucking swallow that shit like a pro. You're fine. Raise it again, you'll be okay. What the fuck are you doing?
Getting comfortable?
Gee. Come to my lap.
It's
What's
currently occupied.
Gee, sit on my lap. Dude, there's someone in the house. No, there's not. I'm seeing shit.
Trolls?
Gene's a rat today. Right, dude?
Yes.
It's fucking scary shit.
That was a big rat. Gina thought it was a pig.
You get it?
Uh-huh. I didn't think it was a pig at first.
I did the high five.
It was like fucking.
Oink. Pig still oink.
It's okay. I wasn't a pig. It was a rat. I like that shit.
Need to put this
Oh, hi there.
video.
Oh,
yeah.
hi there.
Oh yeah. This is the best herb ever.
Told you.
Fucking better than that organic shit. Because it is organic. It's weed.